Today see our topic is study of yet another compiler similar tool of yet another compiler present by K. Varsani 3rd CSE. Yet another compiler tool will be produced. A processor is a given grammar. Yet another compiler is a program designed to the compiler lather one grammar and produce the source code of the semantic analysis of the language. Produce this the grammar. Input is a grammar and action to upon the regulation. A rule. Output is a C program and optimizer a header file of the taken. Yet another compiler is a program for a Unix operating system developed by the C. Johnson. It is look-headed left to right pressure generating the lather processor based on the formal grammar. அடுத்து structure of yet another file compiler file. Structure of yet another compiler file has a same three part of structure as a lex. Each part of the celebrated by a percentage of the symbol. Three parts of even indicately. Definition, rule section, code section. What do compiler do? Another kind of language process called an interpreter, different from the compiler in that executed program without the performing the translation. Interpreters, source programming, encoding data output. Lex and Yoxi. Two classes tools for the compiler. Lex analyzer generator. Yoxi yet another compiler. Lex creating the program that scan your taken only one by one. Yoxi taken is grammar and generating the parser. அடுத்து lexical rule, grammar rule, lexi lex input, grammar rule. Yet another compiler parser pressure input. Lex and Yoxi are tools used to generating the lexi analyzer and parser. I am sure assume you can program in C and understanding the data structure as the linked list and trees. The instruction description the basic building blocks of compiler and explaining the instruction between the Lex and Yoxi. Then application yet another compiler. A parser generated a context-free grammar. Yet another compiler an LR parser. Yet another compiler input file. Definition, percentage rule, user definition function. Application yet another compiler application. Yet another compiler provided a tool of produces a parser of a given grammar. Yet another compiler is a program designed to the compile the lather grammar. It is used to produce the source code of the semantic analysis of the language produced by the lather grammar. It is input of yet another compiler is the rule of grammar and the output of in C. Thank you.